So you see that the price of 166, this 179. Why there's a difference in the price? The difference in the price is basically okay. There are two reasons. The most important reason is called the timestamp. It's the most important thing. This is what okay decide the pricing on the blockchain. Because why? The timestamp here, okay, will indicate, we decide, okay, your information of the transaction. This is called a transaction. The transaction, okay, your information of the transaction, the blockchain goes in which block? Example, this goes okay on 604 block, but this goes on 608 block. Each block is based on timestamp. So different block, okay, the charges are different charges. But don't worry, you don't charge $4, $5. Dr. Madi, when I want a key in the 0.08, okay, it shows $4 something. Do not worry about that. No worries. Just proceed. Okay. Again, I repeat, do not worry on the dollars appear in your wallet. You must understand, okay, your trustwallet.io. Trust Wallet is just a provider, ecosystem provider. They also need to make some money. But what they decide is not the final decision. The final decision is decided by eTash. The final decision on the transaction fee, okay, on your transaction, is decided by who? eTash. Who's eTash? eTash is the blockchain of Ethereum. You can check all the transaction, one after one after one. Okay, you don't see anything more than 0.07, 0.08. You can check so many transactions, live transaction. Check this one. Check the fourth one. Okay, four transaction. We see that. Okay, you show me one. Okay, or transaction. Okay, which when okay is more than 0.01. No, 0.007 a dollar something. Okay, this also a dollar something, dollar something. When you see on the Ethereum wallet, on the MyEther wallet, MetaMask wallet, sometimes shows $5. That's setting done by the wallet provider. The final decision on all the charges is belongs to the eTash. We all belong to the community of Ethereum. So don't worry. Do not worry. You believe. When you see a transaction fee, suddenly you see, okay, it shows $4 something. You proceed. You proceed. After you proceed, okay, you copy the Ethereum wallet and you check in the Etherscan and it shows, okay, not $4, $5. I got experience. I was doing like a transaction 0.5 Ethereum in a one program platform, and my Trust wallet asked $14 something gas fee, $14 US dollar. I was reluctant to proceed, but my son told me, "Papa, proceed, don't worry, because the final decision is decided by the eTash, by the blockchain of Ethereum." And I proceed. $14, I proceed. After I proceed
Hello.
$14, transaction done. I copy and went into what you call Etherscan, a check. It's going to detect 1.32 Ethereum or 1.32 US dollar. Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir. Welcome, sir. Welcome, welcome. Any
Hello.
question? Yeah, no.
Yeah,
Yes.
sir. I want to know regarding how to withdraw my Ethereum into my bank account. Like how to Ethereum that.
Very good. Very good. You're from where, sir?
Sir, I'm from India,
Which part India, sir?
Assam, Assam.
Assam. I guess you got a Ethereum in the wallet.
Yeah. I have Ethereum.
Very good. How to withdraw?
Yeah, yeah. How to withdraw the Ethereum
I also don't
from
know
my
how to withdraw. I also don't know how to withdraw. Can you teach me how to withdraw? You don't know, I don't know. So how to resolve the problem? You don't know, I don't know. So how to withdraw the problem? It's a very simple thing. Ladies and gentlemen, you must understand one thing. When we don't know, simply we ask our brother, big brother.
Okay.
Who's our big brother? Do you know who's our big brother?
Google.
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 That's it. Go Google. Simple thing. Go Google. Example of Google. Go Google. This is
Okay.
how Dr. Madi learn every single thing. Okay. I want to sell. Sell what? Sell Ethereum.
Okay.
Ethereum. Okay. Where I want to sell Ethereum? Example, I want to sell Ethereum in India. Example in India. Okay. In India. In Pakistan. In Kenya. Anywhere. Okay. Example in India. So you choose so many platform, ready-made platform are there. Example, you click the word Remitano. Click Remitano. Okay. Oh, so many other platforms. So many, but we have okay nearly 5 million. Okay, 5 million. Okay, results on all this. Okay, all this. Okay, or you can click. This is what a platform given. Okay, so buy your coin. Everything, everything in India. Exchanger. You know coin. Okay. So example. Okay, I go to Remitano. Okay. So first of all, what you must do. Okay, you must okay be a member in this community of Remitano. Join,
Remitano.
register, join. Okay, after you join, okay, you can be a part of the community here and you can sell. You can sell the community. Why? Because okay, you can sell. See, this guy is selling okay, how much 0.38 Ethereum. The guy wants to sell 0.38 Ethereum. This guy wants to sell 8 Ethereum. Okay, so where is the sell? How to pay the money? Pay the money into Kotak Mahindra Bank, ATM Bank. This what you call Remitano. Okay, it exists more than 30 countries. Example, you go to example, okay, and this, okay, Remitano, okay, you can do, okay, a transaction buy, sell by using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different cryptocurrency. These are the cryptocurrency that you can change into fiat money into the bank instantly, immediately. Although we have 5,000 coins outside there, these are the coins that Remitano giving a service. We talk about another one more. This is okay. A Remitano only exists in 30 countries, whereas this platform exists more than 100, 200, more than 100 countries. Worldwide platform, global platform this. But this platform, example, you have enough Ethereum, you want to sell. You want to sell, sell. And this platform only deal only two currency, Bitcoin or Ethereum, no other cryptocurrency there. And location, I told you, it is worldwide. Worldwide. Every single thing. Almost all the countries, okay, involved in this particular platform. So example, you're India. In India, what method you want? You want Airtel method, Alpha Cash
Okay.
method, Alipay
Right.
method? Example, okay, why you want to withdraw for what? World is changing already. The world is moving into decentralized world. The withdrawing money into fiat money and purchase money, that model will die off in a short period of time. So example, your Ethereum, you can transfer Ethereum to a Alipay and you can use the Alipay to buy things or you can transfer to bank transfer. You are the owner of your own destiny in double way. What method you want? Certain method only exists in that particular country. You explore yourself. Which method that you are familiar? MoneyGram. Which method that you familiar? Go ahead. Like PayPal. I can transfer my Ethereum into PayPal and I can use the card. PayPal card can withdraw in any ATM machine worldwide. All the PayPal is attached to the bank. If it is not yet attached, please attach. Example, you are a bank, Canara Bank, ICICI Bank, example. The bank may give you a card, a debit card or credit card, doesn't matter, whatever card. You can take the card, attach that card to PayPal. PayPal is free to join. Once you attach your Maybank, your own bank card into PayPal, and then you move the Ethereum to the PayPal, and you can withdraw by using your own card. Use the PayPal and you can buy anything you want. I attach my two bank card. One card belongs to me, one card belongs to my wife. My bank card is local bank card. I attach to PayPal. So one I attach to PayPal, I can withdraw anywhere. It's my bank card. Of course, there's a service. I want convenient. I need to pay the service. So like that, every single thing is there. We are crypto people. Remember, we are move our direction to online community. You need to learn all that. Okay? Or whatever method, or WeChat. WeChat method is very familiar. I don't know about India, but very familiar to Malaysia. We can go to shopping mall. Those are say in Malaysia. We can go to 99. No need to bring your cash. Okay? We use the WeChat. We can use the WeChat payment to pay. So all this is yours, Western Union.
Okay, so
Which
I can, you know.
which method that familiar for you? Oh no, I only want money. Then you go. You go to what? Cash bank transfer. Click that. Then you click the bank transfer, okay? So all the agent are given for you. These are the agent right now in India, in Hyderabad, in Bengaluru. Okay? All these people. You are from where? Okay? Doesn't matter because this is a online platform. Like this guy, okay, I've done, okay, done, okay, 3,900 trades. Total US dollar 1.3 million. Feedback 99% good feedback. If a guy have done 1.3 million turnover US dollar and you are only going to convert one to Ethereum, doesn't matter. So you see that this guy, okay, I've done, okay, 400,000 US dollar transaction. This guy, this trader, all these are agents. And tomorrow you also can be agent. You can buy and sell if you know. So all this information given, you click this and you connect to the guy and you deal with him. You give your Ethereum to him, he will transfer the money to you. All this transparent, no need to worry about anything. I use Remitano. I use PayPal. Okay, so I transfer my Ethereum into PayPal and I use that to buy things. So I'm just using buying things. Well, go to any shopping mall, anywhere. I use my local bank card. Why? My local bank card is attached to PayPal and my PayPal attached to Ethereum. All this knowledge. So don't know us our big brother. Thank you. Any other questions, sir? I hope I answered the question, sir.
Yeah, sir. Yeah.
Any
And
other
hello.
questions? Yeah, yeah, sure.
Okay, so sir, like once I transfer, like so I can transfer it to PayPal, right? Directly.
PayPal. Okay, you must understand PayPal. Your bank card. You have a bank card, local bank card.
Yeah. And yeah, I'm using PayPal.
Okay, very good. Okay, you already attach your PayPal to your card, bank card already.
Yes.
Then okay, do that.
Then if I transfer
But
it, my if I
the only thing that you must understand, PayPal charges slightly higher.
yeah.
You know why? Why
No.
charges higher? Because of the bank. Bank always want to be champion. The bank always put very high charges. But when you use, okay, a transaction like agent, by you sending money to agent, charges is pretty cheap compared with PayPal.
What website should I use to contact with these agents?
Oh, this is very, very. First of all, number one that you must know, okay, you cannot
Okay, sir.
contact, okay, you need to register.
Okay.
Example, register in Remitano. You
Okay.
must do your KYC. You,
Okay.
I understand what's KYC. You know
Yes,
KYC?
yes, yes, yes,
Uh,
yes.
you use your PAN card, you use your
Yeah, yeah.
passport,
PAN
whatever
card.
thing.
Yeah.
You do a KYC with them first.
Okay.
Once everything done, okay, you wait for approval. Once approval done, then you can do the transaction. You can buy, you can sell by using
Okay.
this.
P2P transfer.
Fantastic genius. Thank you, sir. Any other question?
No, no. Thank you, sir.
You must understand, okay, we are going to be a online community ready. We are right now online community.
Yes.
You need to expose yourself, learn knowledge, and then be independent.
And yeah, sir. I got one more question.
You can ask a lot of questions, sir. No problem. By you asking questions, we are
Okay.
learning together, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Sir, I want to know more question. Like once I achieve my 8th level on double way,
Mm,
once I achieve my 8th level, what's
mm.
next?
You once you achieve 8 levels, okay, you send a ticket. You ask me to
Okay.
come to your house. We celebrate together with you.
Okay.
After achieve 8 level,
Good
it's
one,
just
good one.
celebrations.
Good one,
Celebration.
sir.
Nice, nice.
Celebration. Celebration. We celebrate.
Sure.
You must remember in double way, what's important thing? You need to build the structure.
Yes, yes.
Once you build the structure, that's it. After that, every 64 days you will see. But you must understand, sir. You see a colorful light, you don't need to go up to 8 levels. You build a solid 5 level first. My
Hmm.
sincere advice to a lot of people, please do not activate level 7, level 8 immediately. Listen what I tell. Don't regret. Please, okay, do not activate level 7, level 8 immediately. You go
Okay.
up to level 5, level 6, no problem. You build the team, you strengthen the team, make your teammates also make money. When they are in level 5, level 6,